we were talking about DIY Mod Podge, right? Now, I like Mod Podge as much as the next girl. You know that. You've probably seen me Mod Podge a ton of things. You'll see me Mod Podge something today, right? However, I do not like the Mod Podge price. Anyway, I found this recipe, a long time ago, maybe pre-internet, right? Before Mod Podge was hugely a hit, and all there was one brand and one version. And, you know, I was a young mom with lots of kids and not much income, and so we had to kind of be creative about what we spent our money on, and this was too pricey. When you open it up, and you smell white glue, and you're like, that smells like kids' glue. Guess what? It really is, okay? So what I'm going to do, I've got some in there, and I just keep reusing the bottle. This bottle is years and years and years old, right? I'm just going to keep reusing the bottle. Let's clean that off. Squirrel! All right, so clean that off. There we go. So I have some water in here, all right? And all I'm going to do is add... Now, I like this glue because you don't even have to add much water, to be honest, right? You can add a little bit. You can add a little bit, and this is runny. So the runnier the white glue, kind of the better you're thinking. So the cheap Dollar Tree glue is better than the Elmer's good school glue, like, you know, school glues go. So this is, you'll see, it's kind of runny, right? I actually probably have too much water in there. Let me just give it a second. Let me... Where can I put that? Oh, of course, we have a mason jar here. All right, I'm going to put the glue in here first, all right? And then depending on how sort of thick it is, can you see the glue, right? I'm good, right? I can see how thick that is. It's, you want it to be like heavy cream, right? This is thicker than that. So I'm going to take a stir stick, or whatever you've got, bring that up closer so you can see, and I'm going to just pour a little bit of water at a time and stir. I don't want it any thinner than really heavy cream, okay? So that's still too thick, right? I want it a little bit thinner, so I'll add a bit more water. The beauty of this is, if you get something in your Mod Podge like glitter and you ruin the whole jar, you don't feel so bad throwing it out. That jar at Michael's in Canada is probably 10 bucks. I'm like, I'm not throwing away a $10 bottle of glue, right? So I'm just, no, I'm not, right? And neither are you, and neither would I want you to. So we just add more water. We're getting there, right? So it's still fairly thick. You can leave it a little bit thick. That's okay too. You can always add water to it. So there we go. I think I've got it now. So I was, you know, not too far off with the water. There we go. So you can see it looks a lot more like heavy cream. All right. All right. So I am just going to take this, and cheap old me, I'm going to reuse my container, and now you all know my secret. There really isn't any Mod Podge in there anymore. It's all DIY Mod Podge, right? And everything you see me do with Mod Podge is from this jar, right? And it has not failed me. So there we go. DIY Mod Podge, right? From school glue. Can you make your own? You sure can.